It's time. Dave from Dave's Woolly Shopworks here, and on this episode we are putting a carpet in the Dodge Dart. So most of you know this is my 1967 Dodge Dart. I haven't had carpet in it for 5 years at least, and we're putting it in the indoor car show at Evergreen Park, the Spring Spectacular. So, got a little rubber on the rear quarter panels there. How'd that happen? But yeah, so we are going to make some interior look a little bit nicer, and we're going to take it from there. Follow along and hopefully we get this right. Alright guys, after a little bit of grunting and groaning, got all our seats out, moldings. I gotta unbolt the shifter handle, and then we can vacuum everything out and start cleaning it all up good to get the carpet starting to fit in. Here goes. Well guys, not doing too bad. We got her all vacuumed out, and then I used some sealer on some drain holes I put in while my windshield was leaking profusely years ago. Sealed all them up and stuck my plates in place. They're just for reinforcing the driver's seat, and on a non-bucket seat car. If you take a look around through Google and such, you'll find out that there are extra brackets bolted to the, or welded or whatever, to the floor pan to support the legs on the seats. Anyway, that's pretty much her in a nutshell. We're going to get laying in carpet and get you back here in a couple minutes, see how it's going. stopped yesterday afternoon, do a bunch of running around. That went right into the evening. Basically, we came back, cleaned up a few things, and now here we are to finish the job. I actually finished the job, and I didn't video it. I just came in, got right to work, didn't even think about it, and well, so I guess long story short, here is the finished product. And I must say, I'm pretty darn happy. It's not perfect, but with how I've changed my floor when I was building the car, adding bracing and such, you can't expect the carpet to fit, a factory carpet to fit properly. And I'm not about to learn how to put complete custom carpet installs in. This works great for me. The car is always a driver, and frankly, it really does look pretty fantastic. Now, my seats are not perfect, obviously. Neither is my dash cap. But again, it's a driver, and I'll be happy putting this car in the car show this weekend coming, actually. So, if any of you are local to Grand Prairie, Alberta, then please come by and check out the indoor car show at Evergreen Park. It's called the Spring Spectacular. It's been going on for 7 years now, and it's going to be a pretty dang cool show. All indoor. Everything's really nice cars, lots of vendors. We have a swap meet booth. Everything, boy, I can't say enough about it. It's a great show every single time, and this year's the biggest yet. It is packed, stacked, and racked. So anyway, guys, long story short, I really hope you enjoy getting this thing a little bit closer to, I don't even know what I'm getting it closer to anymore, because I'm always happy with the car, and that's key. Always be happy with your ride. And yeah, next time you see it, it'll be showed beside a lot of nicer cars than mine. Anyway, guys, really appreciate your support and everything. Take care. Have a great day.